Okay, anybody who's going to try and put this mobile engine test station or stand together really needs to pay attention. The instructions suck, so how I have it mocked up right here is basically how you put it together. I'll point out the different pieces and how they go together. You can see this is an A, this is an A, this is B, this is C, this is D, and this is E. You can see that I already put one A completely together and slid it on to the side rails B and C. But to put together the A, you slide these with the outside out on both sides, and you take this piece and you slide it in. From there, you just slide it on like I have the other one, which I'm going to pause and do. So now, as you can see, you have the A's across B and C. Now this piece is D. It'll end up right here. This one is E, which I already have a couple of wheels on, but it will end up right here. Now, an important piece to look at is for B, needs to be on the outside, these two. Same thing with C over there. And this hole needs to be towards the top. If you have it towards the bottom, then you need to be swapping this and that. So again, these two on the outside, that towards the top. To mock it up one step further, I'm going to bolt this together and show you how that's supposed to look. Okay, you can see how I have those together, and I used one of the medium-sized length bolts to go from top to bottom. Actually, that's one of the longer ones going through the box, not the medium size. Medium size, long. The next piece I'm going to put on is the tray support, which is F. So it bolts right here on both sides. Again, using long bolts. At this point in time, there's really not much left, but I'll point out two more things. You've got two short ones and two long boxed pieces of metal. The long ones will go up front for the stand for the gauges. So they go on like this. And like that. You will have the shorter ones and you'll have this top cross piece, I. So last thing is you need to put the wheels on and then put these long rods through and then tighten everything up. I hope this helps people trying to assemble these. The instructions are not very good. In fact, I'd say they completely suck. But from this point, hopefully it's easy enough to follow a picture or the instructions or something. So you can see it's almost completely finished as far as being mocked up, and just have to put the control panel on and tighten everything down. I leave these rods for the last. Some people think it's more difficult, but this entire thing is relatively easy. Just slide the thing through, and when you get up to the front, you're going to have to put a little bit of downward pressure in order to get the thing to go all the way through. And then take a screwdriver at the other end to lift it up, and then tighten everything together. Hope you enjoyed the video, and again, I hope it makes it easy for you. One thing I did not mention that before I finish this video that I do need to mention is that these small little bolts that you use to put the wheels on, you make sure that those are tight before you put this rod through. Otherwise you'll not be able to get the inside one. Won't be able to get a wrench on it. And lastly, these are where the wheels go. The one that are movable towards what I consider the back, and the one that are fixed go to the front. That's all I got. Again, thank you very much.